how to create the 3D zoom effect in CapCut. It's a really cool effect that you can use for your TikTok and Instagram reels. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, make sure you have CapCut installed on your device. I'll leave download links so you can easily install them. The first step is to open CapCut and import the photo or photos you want to edit. As you can see, this is how the photos look before applying the effect. Select the first photo, then click on Effect button, then Video Effect. Navigate to the Motion tab and select the 3D Zoom Pro effect. Wait a few seconds for CapCut to apply the effect. Here's how it looks, pretty cool, right? Now, repeat the process for the remaining photos. After applying the 3D zoom effect to all your photos, click Export to save the video to your photo gallery. We'll add transitions between the clips. Just follow my steps closely. When you're satisfied with your edits, click Export to save the final video to your photo gallery. And that's how you create the 3D zoom effect using CapCut. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.